and welcome to Heidi's home. As you can see, we got a little dusting of snow in the middle of the night. And right now, I am going to be utilizing everything that I have left in my freezer and my fridge and go ahead and fix it today. Try to utilize all the little things in the fridge from the party that I had, and you're going to see me put it all to use today. So I had a giant family pack of chicken legs, and I am going to let it set for a while. It probably set, I would say, an hour and a half in my fridge. I add a little bit of milk, and because I don't have buttermilk, I added a little bit of lemon juice to it, salt and pepper, and some sriracha sauce. And then I took my hands and I kind of, got it all down in there and mixed it up. Now we're going to be pouring in some elbow macaroni. Ron has been asking and asking for macaroni salad. He loves it, and I'm not going to procrastinate anymore because I have everything to make it, and I am going to put all of the things that I have in my refrigerator to good use and make him his macaroni salad. After running cold water over the top of my macaroni, this is all the items that I found in my fridge. So we got a little broccoli, a little celery, a little bit of pepperoni, some black olives, and I've also got a little bit of cheese left in the fridge and some bacon bits. So we're going to add all of this to our pasta salad. This is one of my absolute favorite pasta seasonings, so don't pass it up. If you see it at the grocery store, I put it in any kind of pasta salad. Here I am running ice cold water over my boiled eggs. I love boiled eggs in my macaroni salad, and I just love boiled eggs in general. So we're going to get all of these peeled and ready for the macaroni salad. Now that I have all of my eggs cubed up, I'm just going to add in a little bit of mayonnaise. And I add a little bit at a time and really give it a good stir just to make sure that I have the consistency that I want. And then I'm going to store it in the fridge. Some of you all seen where my father-in-law had brought me some red potatoes. And I thought, what can I do with all the leftover little veggies that I had in my refrigerator from our party? So I decided that I would cube up my red potatoes, and then I would mix in with the cauliflower and the carrots and a little bit of broccoli that I had left and roast it. So I added olive oil, butter, and let's see, what else did I put in there? I put thyme, garlic, and rosemary, and salt and pepper, and I just put it in the oven. I guess it was probably set on 400 degrees, and it probably was in there a good 35, 40 minutes. And in between time, I gave it a good stir. Here it is, baked up halfway. I added a little bit of butter to the middle, gave it a good stir, probably put a little bit of extra salt and pepper on it. I'm going to tell you, it's been a long time since I've had roasted cauliflower, and I think I'm going to have to put that in my meal plan a lot more because it was amazing. Now it's time to get that chicken a-frying. So I roll it in panko and Italian breadcrumbs, then in egg yolk, and then in the panko and breadcrumbs again. And then it is ready to fry. I just use regular vegetable oil. one of my secrets to making sure that my grease is ready is that I add a wood spoon, and can you see the bubbles that formed around it? Then you know that your oil is ready to fry. So here I am laying my chicken in, and I cannot wait because it already smells so good. Here's my plate of food. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day.